Hal Caine is a name, one person name. And Gabriel Rossetti. Okay. Gabriel Rossetti, like there is another person name. This Hal Caine, he studied only up to 8th standard. 8th standard. Okay. But he's very much fancy about literature. Very much fancy about literature. So the author, Gabriel Rossetti, the author is there. That person is the London based. That person is excellent in writing literature kind of novels. Okay, literature kind of things. Then one day, this Caine, he wrote one lecture praising Rossetti's work. Wow, what a wonderful this book you can't forget in your lifetime. It created impact like anything. It's full of appreciation, with the full of praising that author. He wrote one essay, and he sent a copy of that lecture to Rossetti himself. Can you please observe what is the feeling of that author? Just so he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. He sent that copy of his lecture to the Rossetti, full admiring, full of respect, full of praising, full of appreciation. All the things are there in that. Rossetti was delighted, felt very happy, man. He thought, any young man who appreciates my work, so sincerely must be special. Definitely, he should be a special person to me. He should be a special person to me, like Rossetti. He felt that, and then he invited Caine to London. And he appointed Caine as his personal secretary. The single opportunity completely changed Hal Caine's life. Through Rossetti, he met famous writers, learned from great people, and eventually became an internationally celebrated author, earning great wealth and fame. But up to what level he studied? Up to what level he studied?
Eighth.
Only 8th standard. But he became #1 international author. He got the fame, he got the money like anything. But all these things started from where? Yeah, all these things happened because of one letter to the Rossetti. Appreciating, rising. Our lives also are going to be changed, man. Best example, 8th standard person, how the world famous author, because he appointed as personal secretary to the Rossetti, then he is going to meet a number of famous authors. He is going to meet a number of great people. Automatically, their flavors he is going to get. Then he became, later point of time, world #1 author.